Here I have iPad 2021, iPad mini 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live headphones to this device. So firstly, you just have to open its case, then enable Bluetooth on your iPad, and after you see Galaxy Buds Live in the list of the available devices, just tap on it, and after that they will be connected. So if you want to disconnect from them, tap here, and then you have an option: disconnect or forget this device forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.